The next step is to come in and do the seam sealer and undercoat. So we get everything sealed. Getting ready to do the seam sealing. So get all these screws removed out and get everything seamed up. Got all the panels in. Got all the seam sealed. Now waiting on the undercoat to dry, and then I'll do another coat of stone chip protector. And I'll tilt it down and do the front half. Got the second coat done, and we'll tilt it down and get the front done. So this is the front, and we're only going to spray it up to the probably about here and go all the way across, or may bring it up to here and go under. But we'll get that scraped off. Wire brush still got some spots to fix, but let's get it taken care of. So the next step is to grind down some of the wheels and come inside and do the seaming inside. got all the inside seams sealed. So the entire floorboard was replaced. Along with the rockers. Got everything on the bottom coated. Yeah. So next step, pull the insulation out and start laying down soundproof, heat-proof insulation.